We'd like to introduce two new bottle fillers, our 1920 and 3377BF. The 1920 is indoor and outdoor, and the 3377BF is an outdoor option. The 1920 is a wall-mounted bottle filler that utilizes the same drain as the drinking fountain. It flows right into the drinking fountain bowl, eliminating the need for a separate drain connection. The 1920 can be mounted both indoors and outdoors and is capable of taking our freeze-resistant valve. It's very durable. It's a low-cost bottle filler opportunity designed to compete at the lower end of the bottle filler market effectively. The retrofit market for this is very large. We designed it specifically to fit over existing installations of Haws drinking fountains, specifically the 1001, 1011, 1107, and 1117 bowls. It's a very attractive option. Preliminary results from different schools show that this is what they've wanted because of its high vandal-resistant characteristics. Before we get into specific features and benefits, let's talk about what the 1920 is. The 1920 is the first image, the boxy looking image, and that is the bottle filler itself. We have three different options on that: the 1920, the 1920 HPS, which is polished stainless, and the 1920 FR, which has a freeze-resistant valve for outdoor installations. The 1920 can be mounted on its own, assuming that one can access the bolt holes for it and a water line for it. So if you have a masonry block wall and you can access through the back for the water line, you don't necessarily need the following options. But for most installations, you'll probably want the following options, which include a mounting plate and a back panel. The mounting plate, this can use any of our two current mounting plates, which are the 6700 and 6700.4 for new installation options, but we also have a shorter version, which is the 6700R, which is cut short and designed to fit behind the 15-inch back panel or a 32-inch back panel as a retrofit option, so that you don't need to cut into the wall. So this will just bolt directly onto the wall and be fully concealed by the back panel. The back panel options are the BP15, which is 15 inches wide, designed to fit specifically over our single installations, and the BP32, designed to fit over our double installations. This also comes in the highly polished versions for both the 15 and the 32, and if there is a larger opportunity for a school district or something else where multiple units are available, and it's a different size back panel configuration, we can discuss doing custom back panel options so that the 1920 could fit over other fountains and potentially competitor fountains. Some of the specific features and benefits of the 1920: it's a new or retrofit installation for both indoor and outdoor situations. The image shown has our freeze-resistant valve installed, so it does fit that item. As discussed, the retrofit installation hides all the cut work, so really for a retrofit installation, it's very quick installation. You just need to cut a small hole for the water line to go down, tap into the water line from the drinking fountain, and then mount the plate externally on top of the drywall, and then the back panel on top of that. So it's a quick solution, which shouldn't take more than 30 minutes to an hour for a plumber to install. It's designed specifically to fit over our 1001, 1011, 1107, 1117, and it may fit over other installations. The key variables are that the distance from the wall and the height off of the bowl. Those are the things that you need to look at, and our specification sheet shows what those dimensions are. It does utilize our Haws patented 5874 valve for all the benefits that valve includes, and this particular unit has a high flow rate cartridge in it, so this bottle filler flows at about 1 gallon per minute. The flow on this is a laminar flow, and there is literally no splash, so even going over our 1001 or 1011 bowl, it flows down, it hits the bowl, there's virtually no splash. It's a very elegant solution. The whole look and feel of it works well. It's very vandal resistant, 14 gauge stainless steel. It's a box design. You could take a baseball bat to this and you probably wouldn't harm it one bit. It, of course, meets NSF 61, NSF 372, California AB 1953, and has 100% lead-free waterway, as do all of our drinking fountain products. This slide outlines the details of the different component model numbers for your reference. We went over some of these, so there's no reason to spend much time on this right now, but basically you can see that the 1920 is the bottle filler itself in number 4 finished stainless steel. The 6700R is the mounting plate for retrofit installation, single or double. The BP15 is a back panel single, which is 15 inches wide. So this sheet is something you may want to print out for your reference. The 3377BF is our outdoor solution for the 3377 drinking fountain. So we have 3 different images here. The far left image is what we call the 3377BF itself, which includes an extension pedestal and the bottle filler component. It's designed to be mounted on top of this middle image, which is the 3377 drinking fountain, which then creates the last image, which is a 3377BF mounted on a 3377. So for a new installation, you would be ordering both the 3377 and the 3377BF. The beauty of this product is that the 3377BF can be ordered on its own and will retrofit over an existing 3377 drinking fountain that's already installed in the field. So this is both a new and retrofit product. The 3377 drinking fountain has an ADA bowl, so you qualify for ADA as far as the drinking source is concerned. It's very highly vandal resistant, of course, and the freeze resistant option is available with the 3377BF. So more detail on the 3377BF. The image here is what you would get if you order the 3377BF. We have 3 different configurations of it. One is in the powder-coated green finish, which can also be powder-coated in other colors. The second is the 3377BFG, which is galvanized. And the third is the 3377BFFR, which is with the outdoor bottle filler with the freeze-resistant attachment, the freeze-resistant valve. All of these are available in custom color options as specials. For a brief review on the 1920 and the 3377BF, we're going to call out some of the main features. It's a very easy and inexpensive way to install for both new and retrofit installations. It can be mounted on various wall materials because the mounting plate provides an easy installation solution and is fully concealed by the back panel. The mounting plate and back panel are not necessarily required, so if you have a masonry or tile wall that you can access from behind, you don't necessarily need the back panel and mounting plate, so that reduces costs even further. It's a great way to update existing fountains that are out in the field. There's a number of existing Haws fountains that require bottle fillers and unfortunately are being pulled out to be replaced by EWCs and bottle fillers by LK or Oasis, and this gives us an opportunity to provide a seamless architectural look before that happens. The no drain is necessary if it's mounted over an existing drinking fountain, and that cuts the installation costs tremendously. For more information on these bottle filler products, visit us at hawsco.com. We do have full specification sheets and drawings on these. Keep in mind that there could be custom solutions, and we'd be open to discussing those. Thank you very much.